Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I deep edge my garden beds, and this might be a complete hot mess because it's about 90 degrees here in Northern Virginia. The humidity is about 90%, probably more like 99%, and it really feels like the inner sanctums of hell. But I'm going to try and get through this video and show you how I do my deep edges to keep things tidy around the garden. First up, let me show you the tools that I use. I always get my trusty wheelbarrow so that I can move the dirt, and then I use this edger right here, this half moon edger, to define the line. It is called a Radius Naturally Easier Pro Light edger. And then I get one of these shovels. The shovel's about waist high, and it has a flat edge. And those are the basic tools I use until I get around to the mulching part. It's this bed right here that I'm going to edge. I actually have never deep edged this bed before, so it might be a little tougher than normal. It has some cleanup work necessary in there as well, and then I might do a little mulching. So let me see how far I can get done with this particular project. So what I'm going to do first up is I'm going to take that half moon edger and I'm going to define the line around, and I'm going to use that edger and I'm going to go straight into the ground, and then I'm going to come back with my with the shovel with the flat edge, and I am going to dig at an angle into that edge. So the outside edge is flat and I'm digging at an angle into that flat edge. Now, whether that's the right way that you're supposed to edge or not, I have no clue, but it's the way I do it and it's the way it works for me. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get that edging done, and then I'll catch back up with you. This here is called Japanese stilt grass, and it's an invasive plant here in Northern Virginia. I do a lot of pulling of this. But anyway, just wanted to show you in case you run into this as well. Now I'm getting my flat shovel to angle into that flat line. And then I just dump into the wheelbarrow. And then depending on whether I'm bored with what I'm doing or not, I'll come back here and do a little cleanup from time to time, or I'll do it at the end. This is just cleaning up that angle and cleaning up the flat edge. This right here is a native ground cover called partridge berry. So I'm going to put that back up here. This was where the edge was going to go. Okay everyone, so I called it a day. It is just so hot outside, and that was a lot of hard work. I needed to try and stay away from some of the seeded, grown and native plants in there, and also be careful of the tree roots. So let me show you really quickly how it turned out. I will tell you that I forgot to mention one of my normal steps is to water the area first. That makes it easier to dig and also gives all the plants and the roots around a good water. Okay, so here is the final product. I mentioned that sometimes I put gravel in the edges. I think I'm going to do that here. I don't know, something is just telling me to do it. So you may see me doing that tomorrow. I am making this, if I didn't already mention, I am making this a two-part video just because this was already a lot of work. So please stay tuned for tomorrow or Sunday when I finish up this area. I will talk a little bit more about the self-growing, self-seeding native plants in here. I will talk about the little wildlife habitat that I'm going to create and show you how I finish this up, and it should look really nice. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you sticking around here with me.